Do you get annoyed trying to lace your Jordan 4s? Do you know how to lace your Jordan 4s properly? Do you get frustrated trying to lace your Jordan 4s and just want to throw them away? Well, in this tutorial, I am going to try and teach you how to lace your Jordan 4s properly. Do you want to learn how to do your Jordan 4 laces like this? In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to do your laces so they look and feel great on your feet. If you enjoy content like this and you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. Without further ado, let's get into the Jordan 4 lacing tutorial. Okay guys, so what you need to do first is take the laces out completely except for the bottom part of the lace. Except for this bottom line, leave that one in. Really essential you leave that in. That starts off and sets up the way the laces go throughout. Make sure you take the laces out and line them up evenly. Also, this will make them look better when it gets to the top of the shoe. So for the first loop, you want to take the tip of the lace, thread that through this hole, going on the outside, not through the inside, and going from the opposite side. To keep this lace straight, I hold two fingers either side of it, put my thumb on this part and pull through. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but that should help you keep it nice and straight. If it twists at the end there, just twist it back before you pull it completely through. So we've got our first part of the lace in. You don't need to be pulling these really tight neither, just leave them slightly loose, because where a lot of the pain of a Jordan 4 is around this part, and it affects people with wide feet mostly, but I find leaving these loose makes more comfort in a Jordan 4. Get this next lace, thread it underneath the lace that you've already pulled through. Get the next lace and repeat the process. Poke it through the hole, hold two fingers, at whatever way you feel comfortable doing that, just hold two fingers, pull the tip through. And again, it might twist on you, but don't worry, we can sort that out. So you can see it's starting to twist, just straighten it. That's what I do. You can just move it about before you pull it through, again, leaving these loose. Just put that through the hole, thread it straight through. Nice and easy. Put that to the side, get this next one, put it through the hole. Once you get further up the sneaker, it gets a lot easier. You just repeat that process, twist in to make sure it stays nice and straight. Just got to sort of do it by eye, so just take your time, play about with them. So I can see this one looks a bit awkward because it's underneath, so now I'm going to get that lace, pull it through, make sure that one's straight, go to that side, get this one out of the way, and then put it through. Lacing tutorials are always hard to do, but what I would say is just go by eye. That's always the best way I've done my laces. I'm not going to lie though, my wife does my laces most of the time. I know how to do them, but I'm just lazy. She's better at it. She does it like twice the speed. You can see that lace needs to go underneath that lace, otherwise it'll look odd. Get the tip, through the hole, pull it through. But leaving these a little bit loose all the way. You can see they're kind of loose, and they'll end up looking like that. Pull that lace through, boom. Now, as you get higher in this part, particularly in the top four holes, you want to be leaving them nice and loose, because otherwise they'll be really tight. That looks a bit awkward, so I'm going to move that and go the other way. Leaving it nice and loose. Tighten that a little bit. Always going on the outside of the holes, guys, as well. That's something important that I noticed in a lot of how-to videos don't show you. You're nearly getting to the end now. So when you do this, it might not look right at first, but just try again. That's the best thing you can do. The more you practice at this, the better you'll get at it. You're going again through the outside of the eye stay, and then through the hole, pull that through, and then the next one. The eye stays are really fiddly on Jordan 4s, they're a nightmare. Not my favourite part to do. So you get to the top holes, and then you just thread that through that hole. In the middle, pull it through, and again, through the hole, in the middle, pull that bit there, and then if it looks a bit messy at the top, don't worry about it because we can sort that out as well. So you just pull that through here and just loosen them a bit. That one's still a bit messy there, still a bit messy there, and then just pull it out. And you can adjust to how you like, but that's kind of how I do my Jordan 4s. Guys, let me know if this video has been helpful in any way at all. Thanks so much for watching, your support on my videos, I really appreciate you. But that is how to lace your Jordan 4s properly. Any other questions, drop them down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you with anything you need. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!